Landscape lighting in general is a terrific add-on service that you can have. And one of the coolest things about the lighting is, weather is dependent on planting, working the ground up, doing all those other things. Night lighting, you can pretty much do that just about any time of the year, including the winter. So we intentionally look for opportunities for lighting. We even have that where we can do that in the winter. I don't know why, if you were a landscape contractor doing installations, you wouldn't look at night lighting as a terrific add-on service. The professionals at SiteOne can help you. They're a phone call away. They literally will come out and teach you. They have training sessions that they'll work with you on it. If you're not doing night lighting right now, it is really something you should be looking at. I'm not an electrician. I don't understand lighting, but through my team and through the training that SiteOne has offered and their wonderful array of products that they offer, we do a great job. So I don't know why you wouldn't do it. I think it's a terrific opportunity to add sales to the top line and profits to the bottom line.